In this video, we are going to learn how to open the Whiteboard software and sign in to our personal accounts. Now, the first thing you need to do is find on your desktop, which it should already be installed if you are on your work computer, this My Whiteboard software. So I'm going to double click and it will open the Whiteboard software. Now, if you don't see a little pop-up where it says you can sign in, what I want you to do is click on this bottom part where this little person is, and you can see that it's the My Viewboard sign-in. So you can do this through a QR code or with an email and password. However, those are not the ways that we would like you to sign in. The easiest way is to click on the G, then click on your school account, and then now it says My Viewboard Whiteboard auto sign out time is 1 hour. So we are successfully signed in. But we want to find this page. So in order to find that page, if I click and go back, you can see once I've logged into My Viewboard, it should, even it says that site can't be reached, it says I'm successfully signed in. So I click this sign in, and then it's going to bring me to my home page. Okay, then it says you can download Whiteboard for free, but it's already downloaded on our computers. So all you're going to do then is you're going to see that you have your Viewboard name, you have your sign in and your email. But what we want to go to is our follow me settings. So you can see here you have join a classroom session, throw to a whiteboard, share your screen, receive a screen, Whiteboard remote control. So all these things can be done on the web, which also can be done on the app or on the software as well. But I'm going to go to these follow me settings, and then it says here, it says My Viewboard default. So you can click on education, you can click on any of those things. But our auto sign out time it can be any of these. So you may just want to, for your hour class, be signed in and then have to sign in again. You may just never want it to sign out for you and always be signed in, and that's fine too. Or you may want the full day, school day, so you can click 8 hours. But I'm going to leave mine as a default for 1 hour, but you can always do that. You can enable a one-time password for your session here. You can show the time, you can show your grid and watermark. So all these things, when the default settings of your pen, all of those you can do here. Don't forget, if you change something at the bottom, you're going to click confirm. And then it will tell you that you have successfully changed those things. Okay, so then we also have our cloud integration. So you can, if you want to integrate any of these things, you can integrate your Google Classroom. You can, I would highly recommend integrating Google Drive. So that's the one where you want to click bind, and then it will go ahead and set up your Google Drive so that you can pull documents from there. And your bookmarks, you can have different bookmarks. You can also, on your background, you can have a default setting. So if you wanted something from an education background, you could pick one of these to always have as your just general background. You also, for your magic line pen, you can decide if you want one of these as your default. So right now, I don't have one, but you can always set yours up if you'd like. Or if you would like your shape to be as your default pen, you can do that here. So these are all your settings, and this is where you can change stuff for your whiteboard. So again, that's that follow me settings, but that is found on the web browser. Then I can minimize my web browser and go back to my whiteboard. I will know I'm signed in because up here it says my session information, which is my name or my email and my little icon. And then here too, you can see it will have that you are signed in as you. If I do want to sign out prematurely before my auto sign out, then I can just click sign out on Whiteboard. And that is how we sign in and change our settings on Whiteboard.